In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a post in Reddit. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to the Reddit website. Make sure you're logged into your account before you try to create a post. If you aren't signed in, you'll see options to log in or sign up at the top right. Go ahead and do that, then return to the main Reddit homepage or the specific community where you want to button up. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right area of the page. There, you should see a button labeled Create. This is the main button you'll use anytime you want to make a new post. Click on the Create button and Reddit will open a new post creation window or panel. In this window, you'll first choose where you want your post to appear. You can either post to your own profile or, more commonly, to a specific subreddit community. Use the drop-down menu or search bar to type the name of the community you have in mind and select it from the list. It's important to pick the right community so your post reaches the people who are most interested in that topic. Next, you'll see different post types such as text, images, links, or sometimes polls depending on the community settings. Choose the type that best matches what you want to share. For example, if you're asking a question or telling a story, a text post works well. If you're sharing a picture or a screenshot, choose the image option. Now, add a clear and descriptive title in the title field. This is what other users will see first, so make it specific and easy to understand. Below the title, if you're making a text post, type your content in the main body area. Take your time to format it neatly with short paragraphs so it's easier to read. Before you publish, look around the post window for any community rules or guidelines. Many subreddits show these on the side or above the post area. Reading them quickly can help you avoid having your post removed. When everything looks good, scroll down and click the post button. Reddit will upload your content to the community you selected, and you'll be able to see it live, vote on it, and respond to any comments that other users leave.